I'm about to unbox a brand new BMW R1300 RS. In the box behind me, I will start it up and then I can take it for a test ride. Let's see what this bike is all about. It has a new engine, a new frame for 2025. I'm so good with this trolley. So, down, and now we get it out of the box. For the first time that I see the bike, let's take the lid off and check out this beauty over here. It's a lot slimmer, it looks a lot more aggressive. From the front here you have different lines compared to the 1250 RS. This one, it's a bit more sportier, and when you see it from above you see it like a narrower bike. Even the engines looks super slim and it fits together everything with this fairing that comes just slightly bit above the cylinder head and also this tail unit, which is aluminum, and it looks super nice. Check out this tail light. It's super aggressive. It's like a sporty bike. The shaft on the left side, which is I think the same as the one on the GS. A Krapovic exhaust over here because yeah, you have to get the premium parts with the BMW. And that wheel over there, the rear wheel, it's so amazing, man. I tell you, it also has the 1.3. It also has the 1300 written on the edges. It's a 5-star or 6-star spoke wheel. It's looking so aggressive. It changes the whole vibe of the motorcycle. It makes it a lot sportier. For me, it's definitely going towards the right idea. Everybody was considering this bike to be the bike that any old guy will buy it. Now I think it's more towards the youth people, towards my side, 30, 40 years of age, that want a bike with lots of torque, lots of power, and an amazing look. So this is the bike here, the RS. Let's remove these things from above. Man, these are super tight together. And I have to fit some parts on the bike. I also have to remove it from the crate because this is also very important. What do we have here? Let's check it out. Okay. In this bag we have the German translation for everything that's inside the bag, but my German is not so good today, so we'll pass it, we'll check it by hand. I think this is underneath the front end of the bike. The user manual, which everybody should read but nobody does, and the bolts for the battery, which are here. And let's see what else. This one should be a cover, left or right. I think these are the covers that will go like wind deflectors in the side of on each side of the bike. And this one over here, oh, there's something else here. Some bolts, lots of nuts and bolts. Man, it's hard work to put this bike together. What are these? What are these? I think there are some covers, like some engine covers. Might be. Oh yeah, they seem to be some engine covers. Nice finish, super nice finish. We'll have to fit these ones also. So lots of work to do, but I'll pass them on a side and see what's in the next bag. Woo! Super hard to remove it. This might be the windshield. Yes, it is. Oh, it's a black windshield. And it's a tall one. I think it's, oh, not that tall. So you have this windshield that gets fitted in the front of the bike. It's like a sporty windshield. I have to be careful with it not to scratch it. I'll leave it on the side before fitting it on the bike. Let's go remove it from the crate. If the guys at BMW will see me unboxing, they will have a heart attack and then they will fire me. Luckily for me, I don't work for them, so I can do whatever I want, but just not to scratch the bike. I'll leave this one aside. I love unboxings. I love tearing boxes apart. Now you can see the bike. Come closer. We can see the bike. It's a lot cooler than you can think. You have to see it in person, because when you get close to it, you will see how slim and how it gives you the impression of a fast motorcycle just by staring at it. It's amazing. Let's check out the front of the RS. Nice and shiny. I love these new wheels from BMW, they look amazing. Brembo calipers with BMW logo on them. So nice. So if I got a bit closer, I see the levers that are a bit shorter, so you can keep your two fingers on them, and it's better for ergonomy. You have these Brembo calipers over here with BMW logo on them. This nice sticker on the wheels, which is inside the lacquer of the wheels, so you won't damage them by using the bike, like on other items. CNC foot pegs, adjustable, 4 positions for the M, and you also get the adjustable gear lever. So the ergonomy, it's very important for BMW, and they made it like for you to adjust it for yourself in regards of your feet dimension and your height, which is super important. Brembo on the rear also, very nice finished, everything blends together very nicely. This fairing is like adding up to the aero package. It's delivering some fresh air towards the manifold and also towards the knees. But let's see how it feels when you go on the bike, because it should throw the wind above your knees. So this is very helpful while rolling at high speeds on the highway for cruising. This will help a lot. The windshield, which is adjustable in 2 positions. The cradle for the Navi over here. And I have to check the oil. I know it has oil inside. I have to check the coolant, and BMW always fits this bike with coolant when they deliver it. Just need to fill a bit of gas inside the gas tank and then plug the battery so I can start this beauty up and hear that Akrapovic exhaust. Let's remove all the wood from here. I don't want to burn anything. Now I'm connecting the negative. Oh, sparks are flying. I love this. Okay, this one is connected. I hope I will still be able to fit the saddle back on the bike, because these cables are huge. This one I think is going here. Let's put it back together and let's see if the bike starts, because I want to hear it so bad. First time we're starting the RS, the R1300 RS. Let's see what's here. The BMW logo, everything is like on the older BMW motorcycles. No gas in the tank, so I need to fill it up in order to start it. Not going to the gas station, but I will borrow from the guys here at the motorcycle shop some gasoline in order to fill in. Okay, let's stop it. Another super cool thing that I like about the new RS, it's this manifold which is black. I like it a lot because it has a titanium finish and it looks a lot better than stainless steel. I think it's more on the sportier side compared to the one that you get on the GS, the chromed one. Let's start it and see how the Akrapovic exhaust sounds. First time we start the RS. I think it sounds just like the GS, the same engine should sound the same, but here in a closed space, yeah, it sounds just like a BMW R1300 GS. The engine is the same, so it should be like that. Okay, so I know that I still have some work to do to fit the windshield and to fit everything on the bike. It's always a pleasure to unbox motorcycles and play with them. So don't forget to subscribe, leave your thoughts about this machine in the comment section below, and we will see each other for another video. Cheers, guys.